Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I will be showing you how to make an Italian dessert that's very popular. It's called tiramisu and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are lady fingers. These are the lady fingers that you get in any supermarket. This is the main ingredient with which we make the tiramisu. So this is what it's called, lady fingers. So if you do not find lady fingers in the store close by, you can also use any sponge cake. Now this is 4 cups of heavy cream. The reason I'm using a lot of cream is because I want to make a bigger quantity, and you can also adjust the quantity of this heavy cream and sugar and other things depending on how much you want to make. And you need 4 tablespoons of sugar, then 1.5 cups of mascarpone cheese or any heavy cream cheese that you can get, some water and any coffee powder. So the first thing that we are going to do is take this cream, add the mascarpone cheese to this and the sugar, and using a hand blender you blend these 3 items together and make a thick cream. So this is the thick consistency we want for this cream. The cream is ready. We have to make a coffee decoction with water and coffee. So mix the coffee powder in this, mix it well. So this coffee decoction is ready. And now what we need to do is take each of the lady fingers, dip it well in coffee and place it on this. So you just dip it in like this and place each lady finger in this dish. So after we place one layer of this lady fingers dipped in coffee, you need to put this cream. And now we need to dip it again in coffee and form another layer. Now we need to add another layer of cream. Let's just fill in these gaps as well. And another layer of cream. And now we make a last layer. Now I just break this and add 1/2 here. And now again we are going to put some cream. So coffee is the main ingredient in tiramisu. That's how we get this coffee flavor. So the last thing we want to do is dust some cocoa powder. So we are now going to refrigerate this for about 30 to 40 minutes before we serve it. Our tiramisu has been sitting in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes and now I'm going to take it out. So we are going to cut this now into squares. Then slowly take it off on this plate. It's really soft and juicy, and a tiramisu is now ready. If you enjoyed watching my recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And thanks for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.